Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting the final presentation in Proof Edoc 11 with the qualification of hairdressing NC2. So today we are going to present the competency-based curriculum for hairdressing NC2. So this presentation po include the course design, qualification, overview mapping of competencies, module of instruction, training methodologies, assessment strategies, and others important of part of the curriculum. So this curriculum is important because it helps trainees develop the proper knowledge, skill, and attitudes needed in the hairdressing industry based on the TESDA standards. Its progress student for real workplace situation and future employment opportunities. So let's proceed to the table of contents. So in this presentation, we have a course design, qualification overview, mapping of competencies, module of instruction, which is kasama dun yung basic competencies, common competencies, and core competencies. And we have a training methodologies, assessment strategies, and also the implementation plan. So tatalakayin natin yan one by one. Now, let us proceed to the course design. So, this course title is Hairdressing NC2 with a total duration of 656 hours. This course is designed to enhance the skill, knowledge, and attitudes of trainees in accordance with industry standard. So, the trainees who will enroll in this qualification should be able to communicate effectively, physically, and mentally fit, and capable of basic mathematical computation, they must also secure a medical certificate to ensure safety and handling mechanicals. So why important in course design? Because course design is important because it is served as the foundational of the training program. It organizes the lesson, competencies, learning outcomes, and training duration. Nag-ensure din ito ng trainees to receive the complete and systematic learnings experience that match industry needs. Next is the qualification overview. So, the hairdressing NC2 qualification includes competencies in hair care service such as hair cutting, hair coloring, hair bleaching, and hair straightening, hair perming, scalp treatment, and basic makeup application. So, the curriculum is divided into three major competencies. Meron tayong basic competencies, common competencies, and core competencies. So, these competencies help trainees become fully equipped with technical and workplace skills. So, after completing the qualification, trainees may work as a junior assistant, colorist, and hair cutter, hairstylist, and permis or yung makeup artist po. So, yung important nito, bakit siya andito? Because the qualification overview is an important because ini-explain nito yung scope of the training and the opportunities available after completing the course. Now, let us discuss the mapping of competencies. So, this part show the connection and sequence of all competencies included in the curriculum. So, it explains how the basic competencies support and common competencies and how these competencies prepare trainees for the core competencies. So, why is mapping of competencies is important? It is important because it provides a clear guide to both trainers and trainee. It ensures that learning processes step by step from the simple skill to more advanced technical skill. So next, let's proceed to the competency-based curriculum. We have a basic competencies. These competencies include participating in workplace, communication, working in a team environment, practicing career professionalism, and observing occupational health and safety procedures. So these competencies focus on communication skill, teamwork, professionalism, and workplace activity. So sa basic competencies is meron siya mga LO na kailangan natin ilagay dito, and then nakalagay naman siya dito sa other page. So why are basic competencies important here in our curriculum? Basic competencies are important because they develop the trainee's attitude, discipline, communication skill, and professionalism, because these are essential qualities needed in any workplace environment. Next are the common competencies. So these competencies include maintaining effective relationship with clients, managing personal performance, apply standards, and maintaining the safe and clean work environments. So trainees learn customer service, proper sanitation, quality service, and workplace organization. So meron din siyang mga LO na dapat natin ilagay dito and nilagay din natin sa other pages. So bakit nga ba importante yung common competencies dito. Because common competencies are important because they teach trainees how to provide quality service, maintaining cleanliness, and build a good relationship with customer. These skills are necessary in salon operation and customer satisfaction. Now, let us proceed to the competency-based curriculum core competencies. So, these are major technical skill in hairdressing and situ. It include performing hair care activities, scalp treatment, hair firming, hair coloring, hair cutting, blanching, straightening, and apply basic makeup. So, these competencies involve hands-on training and practical application of salon procedures. So, I have said earlier, mayroon din siyang mga LO na dapat natin ilagay and nailagay natin sa other pages. So bakit nga ba importante yung core competencies here? So core competencies are important because they are the main technical skill required in hairdressing industry. This skill prepared trainees for actual salon work and employment rather to opportunities. Now, let's proceed to the training methodologies. So for the training methodologies, the curriculum used lecture, discussion, demonstration, or role-playing. Meron din siyang observation, simulation, and on-the-job training. So these methods help trainees gain both theoretical knowledge and practical experience. So this set of standard provides technical and vocational education and training, or the TVET provide with information and other important requirements to consider when designing training programs for hairdressing and situ. So curriculum design, meron din siyang course title which is the hairdressing NC2, yung level NC2, yung nominal training duration is 18 hours for the basic, 18 hours for the common, 620 hours for the core, and for the total of 656 total course. And meron din siyang mga basic competencies na kailangan i-apply, which is yung unit of competencies, yung mga learning outcomes, methodology, and assessment approach. Same with common and core. So bakit nga ba napaka-importante yung training methodologies here? So training methodologies are important because they help students learn effective through different teaching strategies, practical activities, improve confidence, skill, and understanding. So now let's proceed to the implementation plan. So the implementation plan includes the schedule of trainings, classroom instruction, laboratory activities, demonstration, and the practical training. So bakit nga ba napaka-importante ang implementation plan? Because the implementation plan is important to ensure that the training program is organized, properly managed, and successfully delivered. In our conclusion for this presentation in hairdressing NC2, competency-based curriculum is designed to develop skilled, competent, and professional hairdressers who can meet industry standard. So through proper training, assessment, and hands-on experience, trainees are prepared for employment and the future career opportunities in the beauty industry. So thank you, and that's the end of our presentation. Thank you, everyone, and I am Giancarlo Castrimud, your presenter for this final exam. Thank you po.